back at it again. We're out here painting again. The other day I did go ahead, I screwed in the two down there. There's one on this side, one on that side. I need to drill and rivet one in the middle, then that'll be done. But right now we're gonna go ahead and get a coat of this stuff on there. So it's just rubberized undercoating. I'm gonna be putting it on just this side, and basically I'll flip it around here. I'm gonna shut off that so you can try and see how much of a difference it makes. So let me flip this around. Okay, so the whole point why I'm gonna try the rubberized is because if you kind of so that's kind of what we got going on for noise right now. Yeah, we're gonna try and deaden that by using that. And I actually just realized I need to put some more rivets right in here as well. So let's do those rivets and then we'll be good to go. So let's do that. All right, so I went ahead, put a rivet up here. Just that stuff's pretty stiff. Did one over there as well, and we also put the one in the middle here. So now we're gonna go ahead and now start applying. We'll put a first coat on. So let's do that. And then I don't have the GoPro's currently unloading the footage from yesterday that I filmed. So once that's done, then I'll be back to GoPro footage. So yeah, that's that. All right, so there it's on there. It's kind of do some weird bubbly shit. I don't know if that's bad or not. I've never sprayed this stuff before, so. But good God, it's a brutal one to be in there with. So, but yeah, there's a whole can on there. So we'll let that dry and then we'll be back. So I was going through like the paint I had sitting inside. I've got 2 cans of this rubberized coating. They're like basically empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray off what's in here, and then all we'll have left is 1 can, which I've got inside warming up right now. So yeah, let's spray this stuff on. All right, there it is. I got the 2 little cans empty down there. So now we wait. All right, so it's been about like 5-10 minutes. This stuff wants you to recoat every like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, right there to dry for 1 to 2 minutes between coats. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit her again, and then it'll have to dry for an hour. So let's go ahead and get this thing. This is the only can I have left. We already went through like 2 of these well, 3 of these are actually the rubberized, but together the one was like 1/4 of a can, and then the other was a full can, and then those are all truck bed liner. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and spray this can. Right, so I did kind of mess it up, I guess. Right in here, it started like running. I didn't even think that was gonna be a thing, but apparently it is. I figured it doesn't say on there light or heavy coats, so I just kind of went heavy or wet, whatever. Apparently don't do that. So because she could possibly run. Otherwise, let's see how she sounds. I mean, she's still wet, but it's pretty alright. There's like a thing of water runs down it. That's nice. It's real nice. This one's. It's a wee bit better. We'll find out once it hardens, but yeah, let's get some heat on this thing so we can bleed out all this freaking water drops wherever the hell they're coming from, probably the ceiling. But yeah, so far so good. Alright, so it's been drying about I think an hour. So this one's, I know over there sounds pretty good. It's definitely changed up the tone. This one's vibrating somewhere's up in the top here. But I think it definitely makes a difference. Definitely gives it more of a thud. I'm sure if I put like another can on there, maybe it'd help. Which I'm gonna have to figure out how to smooth this out because it got a little messed up. So we're gonna probably let it dry completely for a while, and then we'll deal with it later. Because you know it's not the prettiest thing, but in the end of the day, I don't really care. Because it doesn't really matter in my eyes. I don't care. I do, but I don't. But yeah, so one thing we need to do before we can bolt this thing back on is I got to paint this, or paint these sections. So what we're gonna do right now is paint those. So let's do that. We gotta just clean them off real quick and then hit them, probably just use some rust reformer, I think. I don't know, I was thinking maybe do this, but we could do the rust reformer, it dries just as quick. So let's just go ahead and get those cleaned and then we'll do that. Alright, so got that one cleaned off, painted, cleaned off, painted. You know, I didn't put a lot of time into it. Cleaned it off with the rag, got all the dust and all that stuff off there, and then we just hit it with some self-etching primer. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up. Just get ready to kind of push this in underneath here so it's close. And then all we'll have to do is just lift her up in there and then, you know, bolt it on. So let's do that. Alright guys, so it's on there. Naturally, I had to have lost a bolt. So I'm missing like a 1-inch bolt down here. Well, it's on this one, but the bottom one, missing it over here. But yeah, it's on there, and it's pretty freaking rigid. It is rigid. So I've got the sides in, our little sides that we did. As you can tell, it still makes some noise, but I think that's just these guys. It's not so much coming from the other thing, so that's all right with me. Turned out pretty sweet. You can't really see it now on camera. Maybe if we try. There you go. Light it up a wee bit. But yeah, so far so good. Probably gonna, I guess there's really not too much more left to do. Just gotta get shit cleaned up. I know I need to redo that license plate. And then yeah, that should be pretty much it. Probably give everything a wipe down, and yeah, because I know we got some overspray right here. That's not a big deal because all this gotta get painted anyhow. So oh yeah, and today in this video, this is the day that I hit 900 subscribers, so thanks for that, guys. Yeah, so let's just kind of get shit back together. I'm gonna try and dig around, see if I can get lucky and find the bolt I'm missing, but yeah, don't get your hopes up. All right, let's keep going. Alright, well, there it is. It's on there. Got the light on. I replugged it, or put a new thing on it. We've got the sides on there. And then in here, we've got, it's bolted in. I've just got the towel on there because I still need to make a better hanger. I need to make a hanger for the exhaust and finish the exhaust. But yeah, so basically it's done. Rear diffuser is done. Unless, well, I might, other than I plan to get some edging for along this bumper to try and make up for like my gaps, because I fucked up. So, but yeah, because I got them on over here too. So, but yeah, that's where we're at, guys. So, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya in the next one. Get you guys a good shot here. That's how she's gonna look. We zoomed in or something. Let's see if we can bring her light up. But yeah, there she is. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.